warnings of heavy snow, travel delays and power cuts as the cold snap takes a turn for the worse in large parts of the UK.
Now, blizzards are forecast for areas stretching from Stoke-on-Trent to Durham as more Arctic air drifts over the UK today. The Met Office has issued a yellow warning for snow and ice, and that covers northern Scotland until 10 a.m. on Thursday, along with central and southern areas of England and Wales. Well, here are some of the pictures of yesterday's freezing conditions. Farmers in the Shetlands recorded what's known as a snow devil. That's formed when wind picks up snow into a vortex, as you can see. And these drone shots show the snow blanketing Oxfordshire. More snow is forecast here today. Now, drivers, as elsewhere, are being warned to take care and pack extra provisions in case they get stranded. Well, the weather's also causing more flight disruptions. This is how it looked at Birmingham Airport yesterday, where gritters had to be called in to try and clear the runways.
Forecasters are warning of heavy snow and travel disruption as a wave of Arctic air brings icy conditions to parts of central and northern England.
The UK recorded its coldest March temperature since 2010 overnight, minus 16 degrees Celsius. That was in the North Highlands. Howard Johnson has the very latest.
It looks like a computer-generated winter wonderland, but this is Pycombe in Sussex. The UK recorded its coldest March temperature since 2010. Weather forecasters are predicting that more snow is expected across the UK today as a freezing blast continues to hit the country.
Basically, we've just seen Arctic air moving its way in from the north, mild air trying to push into the south. That sets up a battleground. Snow, rain, who wins out? In this instance, it's going to be the snow that's going to be the most problematic across North Wales, northern England into southern Scotland, the Pennine areas towards the Peak District. That's where we're going to see the most significant snow throughout Thursday.
In the areas forecast to be worst hit, in parts of the Midlands and northern England, the Met Office has warned of possible travel delays and said that power lines and phone networks could be affected, with some rural communities facing being cut off. Charities are advising people to check in with their elderly neighbours and relatives. Local councils up and down the country have been busy preparing for the conditions, with gritters out in full force.
We have an ample fleet. We have 12 routes, but we have 19 gritters, so we've got plenty of built-in redundancy. Obviously around the city we've got over 2,000 grit bins. It's our responsibility to fill them up.
The RAC is urging drivers to be properly prepared, including packing a warm blanket, food and drink. National Rail has warned snowy and icy conditions could affect trains in southeastern England over the next few days. To prepare for the cold spell, 2 coal-fired power stations have begun generating power again. The plants in West Burton in Lincolnshire were due to close last September, but the government requested they stay open for an extra 6 months because of fears of possible power shortages. A level 3 cold alert has been issued by the UK Health Security Agency for the whole of England and will remain in place until midnight. Howard Johnson, BBC News.